So this is my kitchen cabinet. This is the door that is used the most. It's about 15-16 years old. The problem with this is when you close it, it kind of stays there. It doesn't actually close. So the issue is this hinge needs to be replaced, the hinge. So this spring, this soft closing, it just comes out. That works fine. It's the hinge itself that needs to be replaced. So I'll just take out the soft closing, and what I'll do is I'll undo this and I'll show you the new hinge. So my hinge, the brand is Blum, which is I think very well-known brand. I just picked this up from Bunnings, a local hardware store, for $17. So I'll take out the old hinge and put back the new hinge. So that's the old hinge with the screws undone. And what I've noticed is that the original kitchen installer, that's the screw they use, and it looks like they've cut the tip bit of it off. So that's the right length. I'm gonna reuse those screws. So the new one, what I'm noticing as well here, this new one, this bit here seems to be deeper than the old one, and the plastic that came with it looks different from the one that's here. So this one sticks out about 3 millimeters. So what that means is if I use this new one with this deep thing here, it will probably stick out. So I'm gonna reuse the old bit. This just comes out of here. You just press, there's a button here. So you can do it one-handed. If you squeeze that, that comes out. So I'm gonna reuse the old one, and the new one is exactly the same. Just gonna squeeze and undo that. So I'm gonna use the old bracket with the new hinge. Okay, so I've put the old screws back, and now just remember not to over tighten these because this is just MDF, they're not very strong. Okay, so I've got the new hinges in place. Now after you've installed a hinge, you've got to adjust the door. Now this one here, as you can see, this one will push the door forwards, left to right. You can see it moving, and this one is forwards and backward. You can see it moving there. So you just adjust it until your door is perfectly vertical or evenly spaced. Or this one I've got adjusted still. This one is a little bit tight here, so adjust that hinge up there. Okay, so I've adjusted it now, and the soft closing for top and bottom hinge is in place. And now if I close it, it closes all the way. That's job finished.